Welcome to this reverse auction for cover crop funding hosted on the Entrade platform. In this scheme, Affinity Water and Cambridgeshire Water are looking to fund cover crops which are cost effective at retaining nitrogen over winter. In this video, we will guide you through the bidding process. Please log in to your Entrade account to access the scheme. If you're joining for the first time, you will need to register your account via an email verification code. Similarly, if you have forgotten your password, use the link provided. Under the Affinity and Cambridge Water client, you'll see the cover crop auction listed. The scheme is broadly similar to previous rounds, but there are a few changes to be aware of. Firstly, we're aiming for more nitrogen this year, a total of 45 tonnes over a slightly expanded target area. Secondly, the location of your bid fields relative to the at-risk sources is taken into account. Thirdly, we've made it easier to select your fields with just a click rather than having to draw around them, though you can still do this where required. Please read the information on the introduction page, including the conditions and advice on this year's scheme and the approved species specifications. WAG East are on hand to support you with on-the-ground advice. If you have any technical issues, please contact the Entrade team. When you're ready, click Next to go to the bidding page. Here you'll find instructions on how to complete your bids. On the map, you'll see the scheme target area shaded in black. The inner source protection zones for water are highlighted in red and orange. Bids within these zones will score higher than those outside. You'll see any bids that you've previously entered in green and any that you've imported from your SBI number in blue. If you zoom in, you can see all land parcels outlined in red. Start by selecting any field. We encourage you to enter bid set fields separately to make the rest of the form easier and improve your standing in the auction. The area of the selected field is captured on the left. If you click the field, you can adjust the size by moving these grey dots, or you can clear the drawing. If you wish to select another field, you can select more than one field at a time. Working down the page, complete all the steps below, including your cover crop choice and sowing date. Please provide as much information as possible to support your bid. Once you've completed all the sections, information will appear in this green box to indicate the spatial weighting applied to your bid based on how close it is to the source protection zone. The number of kilos of nitrogen estimated to be saved from your bid is presented below. Enter your bid price and an indicator will appear to help you gauge the value of your bid. Once you're happy with your bid, click Submit. You can then enter further bids in the same way. You can enter as many bids as you like, but the maximum funding to each farm is capped at 150 hectares. Once you've entered a bid, you can view, edit or delete it at any time up until the auction close on the 16th of June. Automatic email notifications are sent if you're outbid, but please get in touch if you need any help. Thanks for your interest in the scheme.